morning.
Oh shoot! I'm going to be late.
Good morning.
You're late.
Zoe.
Just sit down. Anyways, we have a new student. Everyone meet Josh.
Miss Teacher, can I do something real quick?
Okay, I guess. After school.
Josh is so cool and hot, and oh my god, I love him so much / joke / serious / half joke /
You know he's right behind you.
Hey guys, it's yeah boy Josh.
bye, Skull.
There's something wired about her.
The next episode. Okay, you guys have to do a class play for my entertainment, for a grade.
We're doing it at my house.
The next episode.
So what should we do?
I say we do a death scene cause those are always dramatic.
Okay.
The next episode.
Oh no, I forgot my costume for the performance.
Hey,
Gee, don't tell the others about me missing my costume, they're gonna be so mad.
we're not wearing costumes, Goofy.
We were in the original version of the series though. Anyway.
Yay, that was amazing. The next episode.
Time to start the day. Wait, where the fudge am I? And I can't go back. I closed my door. Oh no. Am I dead?
No, Goofy, you're at our house.
And now you're living with us since you're obviously in the gacha life world and not in the gacha studio world, but we're not supposed to know that. Now come with me with no particular reason.
You like the new kid, don't you? Don't you?
No.
The next episode.
You're enrolling to our school.
After school.
Where's Copper?
At Busta Lime and Jack's house.
I like hoppers.
Oh.
The next episode.
Josh the Fudge?
Lemma explain. Weekend, let's go.
What's with the bodies on the street lately?
The end.
He's staying here now. I already told Jake about it.
Jake, my name is Fudging Jack. How many times? Oh.
Hey new friends.
The next episode.
Hey yo, we're from the future, we're just normal children and we're lost.
Fudge.
The next episode.
Are you from the future?
Yes, can we have your help getting home? We know a scientist.
Oh, okay. Oh.
The next episode.
Guys, we should totally go to that scientist place so I can go back to the gacha studio world.
Okay.
Is that a child?
You're one to talk baby voice. Anyways, Turbo fetch the gacha studionator.
Why is it an ice cream?
Now take it and go away.
Good morning.
Was all of that a dream? Never mind.
The next episode.
D. Oh my god, I had the craziest dream.
It wasn't a dream.
Oh.
We're going back though since the creator is planning on using Gacha Life instead of Gacha Studio. I already called Hey and Lolo.
You didn't tell me that Josh was gonna be here. Where the fudge are we?
I don't know. We have to find Avalanche's house.
After a day of walking.
Okay, we're here. Hey and Lolo go look for somewhere to live.
We don't even know this place and they're gone.
Hey guys.
Oh hey.
We found a place.
And that's the end of the series.
I didn't talk at all in this video, just because I didn't say anything that moved the story forward. So I'm gonna say the end. No Joshes were harmed in the making of this video. Episodes and characters were cut out of this video BC, they didn't add to the story. Not everyone's personalities were the same as the original. People were more nice, and that's boring. Anyways, time for the character thing.
Good morning. Good morning. Beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Okay, bye.